Hi Pencil Coders! Today we're going to learn the basics of user input. With user input, you can have the user of your program input events through the mouse or the keyboard to control the turtle. And so this will be the basis for some really fun games that we can make with PencilCode. So let's start off by creating a new file. If we go over here to the snippets section, there's already a lot of blocks that do some really interesting interaction with the turtle via user input. So the first one, let's look at this forever loop. This forever loop will of course loop forever, and it's going to have the turtle turn to wherever the mouse was last seen, and it's going to move forward to. So let's see what happens when we run this program. The turtle starts moving forward, and then once we move the mouse onto the turtle drawing area, the turtle will follow wherever the mouse is. You can imagine how you would use this interaction to do a game where the turtle is chasing something or running away from something. And we can modify this block a little bit. So this parameter here that goes into the forever loop, it's basically like the turtle speed. So if we up it to 40, the forever loop is going to go faster, just like the turtle would go faster with a speed of 40. So as you can see, it's looping a little faster and it's moving to the mouse a little faster, which might make the game a little more interesting. So that's how we use last mouse. We can also listen for mouse clicks. So this is a click function, and every time that the mouse clicks, it's going to tell the turtle to move to wherever that click event happened. So if we run this program, we can see if I click here, the turtle moves there. And he'll keep moving wherever I click. We can even queue up a bunch of clicks. So if I click really fast in a circle, the turtle will go to each point that I clicked. And I did not click here in the center, so the turtle stops there. But you're not limited to just mouse input. We can also have key down input. So let's look at this forever loop. Again, it's going to loop forever, and if the W key is pressed, then the turtle is going to move forward too. So we start off the program and the turtle goes back to the middle. He's not doing anything, but as I click the W key, he's going to start moving forward. And you can't see this on the video, but as I let off of the W key, he stops moving, and then as I press again, he'll start moving again, and I can control this with the keyboard. So one more type of interaction, we can actually put a button on the screen. And whenever that button is clicked, the button will say whatever this string is, and then whatever we want to have happen when the button is clicked, we'll put in this body here. So right now, it's just going to write the word clicked. So as you can see, the button says click, and every time we click it, we write clicked to the screen. But the spirit of this lesson is to get user input to control the turtle. So let's do something a little different. We're actually going to have this button say move the turtle in a random direction. And then we can go over to the move section. Let's tell the turtle to do a right turn, but instead of just a 90-degree turn, it'll be a random turn anywhere from 0 to 360 degrees, and then we're going to have the turtle move forward 100. So let's see what happens here. So if we run this program, we see that the text on our button was updated like we told it to be, and then if we click the button, he spins around and moves in a random direction. Now that time it didn't look like he turned, but that's because our random number was either 0 or a very small number to where he barely turned at all. Oh, and we lost him. So I think you get the idea, and I hope that you can imagine how you can use all of these user input methods to create a game. And in fact, that's exactly what we're going to do in the next video.